G'day folks, today I'll be reviewing the Wanderer stove stand and having a bit of a cook up along the way. I picked this up on clearance at BCF for 70 bucks. Quite a bargain if you ask me. Despite some rips in the handles, this one still carries its own weight quite nicely. So let's get it out of the bag. We've got the wind protection cover. It feels a little flimsy, but we'll see how it goes. We've basically got the slats here where you'll rest your cooker or any of your other items. Two different sizes here. This one here is for the top, this one here is for your lower rack. Time to put it together. That's the frame there. Secure it down. Bottom rack first. They just click in. Alright, so as you can see here, we've got some slots for the windshield. Alright, I've got it set up, but let's just see how it goes. I'm a little concerned about how flimsy this is. Overall, it's fairly secure. It's going to do the job. It's going to fit what I need. So let's put it to the test. Got the butane beauty on this side, enough space for the snags on this side. So let's fire her up. Alright, she's smoking up nicely, so let's get some snags on. Alright, well, the snags are nearly done. Just my final thoughts. Look, it's good. It'll serve the purpose for me at a reasonable height, so I'm not slouching down. It's a hot day today, so I don't want to be doing too much movement. Overall, it's a pretty good setup, so let's get into a snag. Cheers. Oh, they're a bit hot. Catch you next time.